আজকের এই ভিডিওতে আমি আপনাদের সাথে শেয়ার করবো যে একজন কেউ যদি শপিফাই কোর্স শিখতে চায় তার আসলে কোন ফর্মুলাটা শেখা উচিত বা কোন ফর্মুলা ইউজ করা উচিত। আজকের এই ভিডিওতে আমি আজকে ক্লিয়ার করে দেবো। সো ফার্স্ট অফ অল আপনাদেরকে যেটা শিখতে হবে বা জানতে হবে, which is like 1 second, let me show you. So I will change ChatGPT. আমি ChatGPT কে ট্রেনিং করব যে want I want to be expert on Shopify. Okay, so now give me 30 days Shopify learning course outline from you to you. Okay, and okay, so let's give this one. Let's say later on what happened. Okay, so we have to wait for a moment. Embark a 30-day journey on Shopify. Okay, day 1, understand the e-commerce and resource Shopify full tutorial. Okay, let's see what video they're suggesting to me. Oh my god, that's too much big video, I'm not sure about that. Let's wait for a moment what video I am getting from here. So let's click here. Oh, this is the full Shopify e-commerce tutorial. First of all I have to watch this one. So let's see what other thing. Oh my god, all this stuff giving me ChatGPT. And utilize the keyword improve. Okay, perfect. So I'm gonna also follow that. Okay, so this is my 30-day learning Shopify plan. So okay, fine. So give me with keyword so that I can find the more video on YouTube. Okay, now we are gonna see that a few things. Okay, set up Shopify basic store. So first of all, week 1 I have to search this keyword, and yeah, something like that. I'm gonna be also follow this one, guys. You know, this is like for okay, I will open a sheet, not here. I'm gonna open a sheet. I cannot see for my webcam, sorry. So I will take a plus and then I'm gonna click the docs, guys. From here I'm gonna exactly wait for a moment. So guys, আমরা এখন যেটা করব যে আমরা আমাদের স্টোরে যাব। এখান থেকে আমরা প্রথম যে 30 দিন ইংলিশ যে শেখার প্ল্যানিংটা, ও এটা হচ্ছে 4 সপ্তাহ। আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, ফাইন। আমরা এখন যেটা করব যে উইক 1, উইক 2, উইক 3 এভরি ডে। ওকে, so I'm gonna copy this one and then I'm gonna paste to my sheet. I'm gonna create a new sheet. day Shopify course. I'm gonna copy it and I'm gonna paste it here. Okay, fine. And this is 30-day Shopify COE course keyword. Okay, I'm gonna copy it and I'm gonna paste it here and I'm gonna make it bigger. Let's make it bigger and Shopify. Okay, fine. So I'm gonna paste the next code, next this one, like this one, week 1 to 4 how I'm gonna be expert on Shopify. Okay, perfect. I'm gonna copy it and I'm gonna exactly paste it here and then I'm gonna delete this one. Okay, perfect. So we have to watch the full video. So finally guys, I'm gonna duplicate and I'm gonna copy it. I'm gonna copy this link and then after that I'm gonna make it editor. No, not editor. Okay, so let's make it editor. Let's make it view and I will write this access name here. Why I have this access, which Gmail. So I'm gonna mention as sheet A-C-C-E-S. Then I'm gonna copy this Gmail. Okay, so that next time if I need to change anything, because I have a lot of email, you can see here, so that I can easily find this, I'm gonna paste it here. Okay, so I'm gonna exactly make it impact, color gonna be black, color gonna be white. Perfect. So guys, I'm gonna copy this link and then I will share this with my team member, and also I will share this on the video description. You can use for yourself, that's the main thing. Okay guys, so it was our video. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and then in future guys কোন টাইপের ভিডিও চান অবশ্যই কমেন্ট করে জানাবেন। থ্যাংক ইউ।